Hey there! Ever feel like your energy is off or your metabolism isn't quite where you'd like it to be? Your thyroid might be playing a bigger role than you think. Today, we're unpacking how targeted supplementation can support a healthy thyroid and keep your body's engine running smoothly. Welcome to Health Nuggets. I'm really glad you're here. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss our science-backed health insights that can help you feel your best. Your thyroid is a small gland with a huge impact. It regulates your metabolism, energy levels, and even influences your mood. When it's underactive or overactive, you might notice changes in weight, energy, and overall well-being. While diet and lifestyle are crucial, some supplements can support your thyroid's function and help balance those hormones. Key supplements for thyroid support are iodine. This essential nutrient is critical for thyroid hormone production. However, balance is key. Too little or too much iodine can disrupt thyroid function. Selenium. Selenium helps convert thyroid hormones into their active form and provides antioxidant protection for your thyroid gland. Zinc. A vital mineral that supports hormone production and immune health, zinc plays a supportive role in thyroid regulation. L-tyrosine. This amino acid is a building block for thyroid hormones. It can help your body produce these hormones when you're under stress. Vitamin D. Emerging research suggests vitamin D may be linked to thyroid health by modulating the immune system and inflammation. Imagine chatting with a friend who mentioned that after adding a selenium and zinc supplement to her routine, she felt more balanced and noticed improved energy levels. While individual results may vary, the right combination of these supplements can support your thyroid's natural function. Just remember that consistency is key. Here are some tips for smart supplementation. Know your dosages. For example, moderate iodine intake is crucial, and selenium's recommended dose is around 55 micrograms daily for adults. Always check the supplement label and consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Quality over everything. Look for supplements that are third-party tested. This ensures you're getting products free from contaminants and accurately dosed. Pair with a healthy lifestyle. Supplements are most effective when combined with balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and good sleep habits. Monitor your health. If you have a known thyroid condition or suspect an imbalance, it's important to work with your healthcare provider before starting any supplementation. Remember, your thyroid might be small, but it plays a huge role in your overall health. With science-backed supplementation and a healthy lifestyle, you can support thyroid function and maintain balanced energy levels. Remember, there's no magic pill. Consistency and quality matter most. Thanks for spending time with us at Health Nuggets. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more practical, science-based health tips. Stay balanced, and I'll see you in the next video.